I used AI to write my church small group discussion questions. It suggested, what would Jesus do if he had Wi-Fi? Technically not wrong, I guess, but also not helpful at all. Here's the thing. AI can make you more productive. It can save you time. It can help you work smarter. But if we're not careful, we'll use all that extra efficiency to just do more stuff. We'll fill our calendars until they burst. But busyness isn't godliness. Productivity isn't spirituality. And your teen, who is being handed these tools that promise to make everything faster, needs to know the difference. The Apostle Paul, writing to the church in Colossae, gives us this incredible framework for our work. In Colossians 3:23-4, he says, whatever you do, work at it with your whole being, for the Lord and not for men, because you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as your reward. It is the Lord Christ you are serving. Notice what he doesn't say. He doesn't say, work as efficiently as possible. He doesn't say, optimize your workflow for maximum output. He says, work with your whole being, your heart, your soul, and your tools for the Lord. The what you do matters less than the who you do it for. AI is already all over our daily lives. It's in our smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, which are basically like that one lady at church who knows everyone's business, except she's digital and lives in a tube on your counter. It's in the recommendation algorithms that know you watched one video about baking bread, and now your entire feed is sourdough starters. These tools are learning your patterns. They are designed to be personalized, to adapt to you, and that can be amazing. AI can help you organize your schedule, learn a new language, or even remind you to pray. But here's the Christian perspective we have to bring to it. Technology is a neutral tool. A hammer can be used to build a house or to break a window. The intent matters. Our time is a gift from God, and how we use it is a form of stewardship. So, are we using the time AI saves us to serve others, to be more present with our families, to grow in our faith? Or are we just using it to scroll TikTok faster? When efficiency becomes the goal itself, it can become a form of idolatry. We start worshiping the God of getting things done, instead of the God who is already present with us. So let's get practical. First, audit your AI use this week. Make a list of every AI tool you use, from your GPS to your grammar checker. Then ask a simple question for each one. Is this helping me serve God and others, or is it just serving me? Be honest. Second, take a Sabbath from the algorithms. Pick one day, or even just a few hours, where you make all the choices. No recommendations. You choose the music, you choose the movie, you choose what to read. Notice how it feels to break free from the curated feed. Third, use AI for good. Find one tangible way to use AI to serve someone else this week. Maybe it's using a translation app to communicate with a neighbor, or a research tool to help a younger sibling with a school project. Your Alexa might be smart, but God is wise. Your AI might be efficient, but God is present. And friend, presence beats productivity every single time. Let's pray that we would use our tools not just to do more, but to love more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next awesome adventure. See you in the next video.